Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the Telegram and follow. Also, make sure once you subscribe, you click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on any updates we give out. Now let's see what we'll be expecting on our GBPJPY. If you take a look at GBPJPY, we want to start with the trend. And we all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either we are trending to the upside, we are trending downward, or market is ranging. That is exactly what market will do. It's either trending to the upside, trending to the downside, or ranging. And we click as that market is trending to the upside. This is it on our GBPJPY. Our trend is an uptrend move. I think this movement started, if you are not wrong, about 2020. This was yeah, 2020. We'll be having a bullish move, and from 2020 to 2021 to 2022 to 2023 to 2024, 2025, and we will be heading straight to 2026, and GBP, JPY will continue to give us that bullish move. So basically, if you are a swing trader or if you are a position trader, your goal is a bullish move. Your movement on your prediction on GBPJPY will be to the upside. So be expecting more upward movements on GBPJPY. Now take a look at this GBPJPY. At first we're trending here. This is it here. This is on our weekly time frame. So I want you guys to pay attention to what market is doing so you understand what market is doing. This is our impulsive move, and here is our corrective phase. Here is also the impulsive move, and here is also our corrective phase. Note that this corrective phase, which is our corrective move, market has been giving us a series of lower low and a lower high, which is very much visible on your 4-hour time frame. Once you go to your 4-hour time frame, you will see a series of lower low and a lower high. Then we had this impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and an higher low. When you go to your 4-hour time frame, you will see it clearly that there is a series of higher high and an higher low. Then here comes the corrective phase. And now this is the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. This is also the impulsive move. Here is our corrective phase. This is an impulsive move. You can see it. Here is our corrective phase. Now we are what? On an impulsive move. So I told you guys that market will continue to push up. If you have been following this channel for the past 6 months, you saw that we have been predicting this bullish move, that we said that markets will definitely push up to take out this low high, this high. Yeah, the markets will definitely push up to take it out, right? Currently, we've now gotten that bullish move and we are currently at that level. So we would expect markets to push up further, break above it, and continue to move on. So basically, our bias and our forecast on GBPJPY is still to the upside. So we'll be expecting more bullish move. Now, when you go to your daily your weekly time frame and see the current trend, which is this trend, you will see something like this: high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high here. Here is the higher low. This is also the higher high. Here is the higher low. This is also our higher high. So basically, we should be expecting an higher low next, which will most likely pay out in the next 2 weeks. I don't think it will pay out this week. I do not believe it will play out this week. And if it plays out this week, absolutely it is fine. But from next week and next 3 week, in next week and in 3 weeks time, we should be expecting market to give us a higher low, which means it will be giving us a pullback on the weekly time frame. So above all, our weekly time frame still says we are in an uptrend move. So the best time if you are a position trader or a swing trader, if you would want to enter the buy, it will be best for your pullback, and then you can now go ahead and take your buy to continue to push up. Now let's go to the daily time frame and let's see what market is doing. So this is our high. Here is the higher low. Here is also the higher high. Here is the higher low. This is also our higher high, and here is the higher low. This is also our higher high. Here is the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, right? Another higher high is our forecast. Like I said, our forecast for this week is a bullish move, and GBPJPY are just giving us that confirmation that the pullback is playing out. Once the pullback plays out finish, then we can now go ahead and take the buy, which will give us a new higher high. So for day trader, you would want to be looking for your buy setup anywhere around a level of 206 and 205. Within this level of 206 and 205, you should see your buy setup form. Once it forms, then you can go ahead and take your buy for it to push up to a further push up further to a level of 207 and then 208. So above all, bullish move is what we'll be expecting on our GBPJPY for the week. So market is ranging within this level, within this level. This is the support level down below, and this is the resistance. So you all know break and retest. Once market can push up and it breaks above this resistance, you can now wait for a retest, a pullback, which will come to retest it, which will come to retest the resistance level it broke out from. If it comes to retest the resistance level it broke out from, then you can now go ahead and take your buy and push up for it to form a new high. So this week also we will be expecting a bullish move. So if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure you guys know. So this is one of the reasons why I want you guys to click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on any updates. Like, share, make your comments. Also click on the bell notification button. So once I drop an update, instantly you will get it and you will not miss out on any updates. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and click on that bell notification in order for you not to miss out on any of